Hello everyone, my name is Nikade Nakumala. In this video, I will explain about Aktuator, especially electric motor Aktuator. This material was prepared by a group. The members are Aditya Firmansyah, Igede Primaraditya, Abrian Junior, Natania Equasia, and me Nikade Nakumala. Okay, first of all, definition of actuator. The electric motor actuator uses an electric motor as a power source to produce mechanical movements. The electric motor used can be a DC motor or an AC motor, depending on the application and needs. This actuator offers accurate and precision control in the valve settings. This type of actuator is widely used in various applications, such as valve control, automatic door and window drivers, or in robotic systems. Types of electric motor actuator. First, solenoid. Converts an electric signal or electric current into a mechanical linear motion. 2. Relay. Electricity connecting or large current automatically. Third, motor DC. Basic electromechanical equipment that function to convert electricity into mechanical power. And 4, motor servo. Able to work through direction, where the direction and angle of the motor movements can be controlled by providing the PWM signal duty cycle settings on the control pin section. And next, electric motor actuator component. For the first, electrical circuits. Electrical circuits consist of components such as cable, switches, and relays that flow electric current from resistors to the motor. This includes safety components such as circuit safety that protect the motor from excessive currents or other electrical disturbance. 2. Rotor. Rotor is a rotating part on an electric motor and is usually made of metal or other magnetic material where an electric current flows through wire rolls around the rotor. The magnetic field produced causes rotor rotation, producing the desired mechanical movements. The next component are stator. Stator is a part of the electric motor that is silent and produces a magnetic field need to rotate the rotor. Usually consists of copper wire coil wrapped around the metal core. When the electric current flows through the stator coil, the magnetic field produced interacts with the magnetic field of the rotor, causing the rotor to rotate. For the 4, bearing. Bearing is a mechanical component that supports to the rotor shaft so that it can rotate smoothly. Usually made of friction-resistant material such as metal or ceramic and placed between the rotor shaft and motor housing. Bearings serve to reduce friction and ensure smooth movements when the rotor rotates. Okay, next. For the last, electronic control. Electronic control consists of components such as microcontroller, sensors, and control circuits that regulate the performance of the motor according to the demand or working conditions. This can include the variable speed drive control system that regulates the speed of the motor according to the load or demand, as well as the temperature control system that protects the motor from overheat. Next, there are about working principle of electric motor actuator. In general, the working principle of an electric motor actuator is to convert electrical energy into mechanical movements. The working principle is first, electric input. Actuator receive electric input from external resources such as batteries or other electricity source. Second, energy conversion. Sorry, the electrical energy is then converted into mechanical energy by the electric motor in the actuator. 3. Mechanical movement. The mechanical energy that has been produced can be used to drive mechanical components in the actuator such as gears, belts, etc. The last is output. This mechanical movement can be used to move components, linear or rotation. Example of application. The application of an electric motor actuator can increase the comfort and efficiency of an object. The example of the application of an electric motor actuator is as follows. First, cane saw. In saw engine, the electric motor is used to produce rotation movements that are transmits through gears or belts to the shaft of the saw knife. This rotation movements allows the saw knife to move back and forth according to use. 2. Fan. In fan, the electric motor actuator is used to produce rotation movements in the fan pitch. The faster the rotor rotates, the faster the rotating fan propeller, and can also move the fan head horizontally. For the third, modern car window. In the modern car window, the electric motor actuator is used to produce mechanical movements up and down the window automatically by pressing the control button. When the control button is pressed, the electrical signal is sent to the driving motor, which then results in a mechanical movement. This mechanical movement moves the gear and its mechanism system so that the car window can move according to the command up or down. For automatic doors. On the automatic door, the electric motor actuator is used to produce the movement of opening and closing the door automatically. As in the automatic door found in the shopping site, when we approach, the sensor door will detect, which will then send a response to the electric motor actuator to move the door according to the mechanism. And next, electric motor actuator innovation. Compact and light electric motorbike. Compact and lightweight actuators are very helpful in limit space. Use of smart materials. Materials such as piezoelectric are easy to use for actuator. Next, use of energy maintenance system. Energy maintenance help optimize energy in the actuator. Next, connect smart actuator. IoT connect actuator and can be controlled remotely. For the last, sensor integration and artificial intelligence. Sensor and artificial intelligence can improve control and surveillance. Okay, and next we will learning about environmental sustainability. First, reduction of exhaust emissions, higher energy efficiency, the use of fewer fossil fuels, clear environmental maintenance, noise reduction, and the last, stimulation of innovation and development of environmentally friendly technology. Okay, there are excess about electric motor actuator. First, precision. Electric motors often offer high precision in controlling movements, especially when used in a combination with sophisticated control systems such as PID. Next, energy efficiency. Some types of electric motors, such as brushless DC or BLDC, or servo motors, can be very efficient in energy use, produce less heat, and require less power than other solutions. Next are responsive. Electric motors usually have a rapid response to the control signal, allowing for rapid change in movement and adjustment when needed. And last, Ease of integration. Electric motor can be easily integrated with various control systems and electronic devices, allowing better automation in applications that require complex control. Behind the axis, actuator, electric motor actuator also have delay. There are high initial costs. The initial cost to buy and install an electric motor can be high. Sometimes this not only includes the cost of the motor itself, but also an additional device such as motor driver, controller, and control system need to operate the motor effectively. Next, limitation in maximum load. Some electric motor have a limitation in the maximum load they can handle. This can be a problem in application where the expected load change significantly or where large loads are needed. Next, risk of damage. In sometimes motorcycles, such as DC burst motorcycle, friction that occurs during surgery can cause wear on the motor component, such as burst. In addition, extreme environmental conditions or incorrect operations can cause damage to the motor, which requires repair or replacement. For the last, dependent on electric research. Electric motor actually requires electricity research to operate. This means they cannot function if there is no electricity sufficiently available. This dependence makes them less suitable for applications in the environment that do not have access to electricity. For the last, our conclusion. Electric motor actuator is an important device in various industrial and automotive applications that convert electrical energy into useful mechanical movements. The main components of motor actuator include rotors, rotating, and stator, which are silent, which work together to produce movements thanks to the interaction of the magnetic field produced by the electric current. With the support of bearings, motorcycles actuator can move smoothly and efficiently. Electronic control allows the speed setting and performance of the motorcycle actuator, which can be adjusted to the needs of certain applications in various industries. Electric motor actuators are used to drive various kinds of devices, ranging from factory machinery to electric vehicle components, making it an integral element in the manufacturing process and modern transportation. Okay, maybe that's all I can say. Thank you for your attention, and I hope it's useful for all of us. Thank you.